Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can revamp a wig, particularly a ball wig. If you want to see how I do it, please keep on watching. So to start, I'm going to use my comb to completely detangle the hair, and I'm using a wide tooth comb to do this. After detangling the hair, I'm going to proceed to washing the hair, and I'm just pouring water to wet the wig completely. Next, I'm going to use my shampoo to wash the hair, and the shampoo I'm going to use is this one right here from L'Oreal, and it's their Shine shampoo. L'Oreal Nutri Gloss Shine shampoo. I pour the shampoo into the water and I'm starting to dip the wig all over it. What this shampoo is going to do for me is to help the hair have a very healthy shine to it. And after dipping the hair all over the water that has the shampoo in it, I'm going to add my another shampoo, and this shampoo is the hydrating shampoo. My client has had this particular wig for over 6 years, so the hair is already becoming very weak, so it needs as much hydration as it can get. I'm just going to massage that product all over the entire hair from the upper down towards the tip of the hair, and just make sure that I really wash the hair well. And you notice that the water is sort of dirty. I'm going to squeeze it out and change the water, because I want to ensure that the wig is completely clean. So now it's a new clean water, and I'm just reapplying the shampoo, which is the hydrating shampoo, to the hair, and I'm going to wash the wig again using this hydrating shampoo. And I'm not going to stop washing this hair until I've seen that the water is clean and the water is foaming. If the water is foaming, it means that the hair is not so dirty. But if the water is not foaming, it means that the hair still has a lot of dirt, which is a form of dust and oil trapped in it. So I'm going to keep on washing the hair until I'm satisfied with what I have. And you can see right now that the water is pretty much clean and it's sort of foamy. So I can see right now that the wig is clean. So after doing this round of washing the hair, I'm going to squeeze out the wig and proceed to the next step, which is going to be rinsing the hair off and applying the conditioner to the hair. Yes. If you're getting value from this video so far, please make sure you smash the like button and share with somebody who's also going to get value out of it. So right now I've poured out the water I used in washing the wig. What I'm doing right now is rinsing the wig off, and you can see that the hair is completely clean. Even the water coming out of the hair is also very clean. So this wig is ready to be conditioned. So I'm applying that Tresemme conditioner, which is the silky and smooth conditioner. Any conditioner you can lay your hands on is it's okay. Work with any of the products that you have available. Don't pressure yourself to use the exact products that I use. Use what you can find within your reach. I'm going to apply very generous amount of that conditioner all over the entire head, because I'm trying to ensure that the hair gets as much moisture as it can get, because of course I said my client has had this wig for over 6 years, so this hair needs to be really well conditioned. So after I apply that conditioner on the wig, and I let it sit in there for a few minutes, and then I moved over to apply this macadamia oil max and my castor oil to the hair. This is going to help me to deep condition the hair and just get it to be more silk and soft, and also help the strands of the hair. That's for the castor oil. It's going to help strengthen the strands of the hair. So I'm going to put product onto the wig, and I can leave it to sit in the bowl for about 10 minutes. But to just speed up the process a little bit more, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that wig right there after I've left it for a few minutes and put it in the microwave and let the microwave heat up the product on the wig for like 3 minutes. Then I can proceed to rinse it off, and after I rinse off the hair to get it to be clean, you notice that the hair is really, really glossy and healthy as I'm rinsing it off. Like the hair looks really, really good. I'm going to air dry the hair after rinsing it off, and after air drying the hair, the next thing we are going to do is to style the hair. But you can see how healthy and nice the hair looks. Yeah, so guys, this is the best hair revamp tutorial that you need to watch for maintaining your wigs or revamping your hair at home. And if you're getting value from this video so far, please make sure you smash the like button and share this video with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. So you can see how I spread the hair outside at my balcony to air dry it. And this is the wig right here after I've finished air drying it. And right about now, what I want to start doing is start styling this hair. And I'm going to use a few products in styling this hair. Before I proceed in styling the hair, I brush through it to ensure that it's completely detangled, no tangled parts anywhere. And I started to section off the up part of the hair. And I'm going to apply my Moroccan argan growth oil all over the bottom part of this wig that I've sectioned off for styling. And next, I'm going to spray this heat protectant spray, which is the argan oil pro-thin heat protectant spray all over the bottom part of the wig. And I'm going to start using my Cloud9 hair straightener to straighten the bottom part of the wig. I can start in small section and increase the sections of the hair. And I'm using my clipper to trim off the ends of the hair that seem to be uneven, because if it's a bob wig, you want the bottom part to be even. So I'm just trying to clean out the bottom part to ensure that it's as clean on the bottom part, that the level is equal, not like one side is higher, the other part is shorter, the other part is higher. By trying to get an even smooth end on this wig right here. So I'm using my clipper to do that. Next, I'm using a hair straightener to straighten the hair while I sort of bob it at the bottom part a little bit. But because the hair is very short, it's better to use a hair straightener that is short as well, like it's not very wide, because this particular hair straightener I'm working with right here is really wide, so it wouldn't allow me to really achieve that very bob to look that I'm trying to achieve on the bottom part. But on the sides where I have longer length of hair, I'll be able to achieve a bob much more easier. So this part here that I brought out now, I'm going to apply my Moroccan argan oil serum to it and also spray the heat protectant spray, come through it, and I'm going to start using the hair straightener to straighten the hair. And when I get towards the bottom part, I'm going to sort of tongue it inwards to achieve that bob style. I'm going to keep on doing this until I finish styling this side of the wig, and I'll proceed to style the other side of the wig, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna keep on doing the same thing and proceed to the other side. Apply my Moroccan argan oil serum and spray the heat protectant spray, and also start straightening the hair. And when I get to the bottom part, I'm going to tongue the hair inwards. So watch me do it. Watch me do it. Watch me do it. So while I'm straightening the hair and bobbing it, I'm going to go back with my clipper to ensure that the bottom part of the hair is even. I'm using a clipper to clean out the bottom part to ensure that on both sides of the wig, from the left side towards the right side, and even the middle part of the back of this wig, the entire bottom part is even. And after evening it out, I'm going to proceed to another level on the section that I had put away to style it. So I'm going to clip away the one that is still left up there and apply my Moroccan argan oil serum to this one right here, and come through it, spray my heat protectant spray, and start straightening the hair. And I want to ensure that I achieve the straightest, sleekest hair ever. So I'm straightening it from the up part and I'm taking it all the way to the down part of the hair, and I'm also trying to achieve a bob as I go downwards. Yes, I'm going to do the same thing on this side right here and also extend it towards the other side of the wig. I hope you're getting value from this video so far. If you are, please let me know in the comment section, and also let me know what videos you want to see next on my channel. Yes, let me know what you want to see next on my channel, and I would work on filming it for you. So be on the lookout for any parts of the wig that you may have any weft that has loosened. So if you want to go back to those areas and use your needle and thread to sew it down securely, or if you have a sewing machine, you can use your sewing machine to sew those areas down securely, just to ensure that your client receives our wig as good as new. So after sewing it down securely, tie the ends very well, then you can cut out the thread that you used in securing the weft. Cut out the threads, then go back to styling your wig. If you're getting value from this video, please make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and share it with somebody who would also get value out of it. Also, check out my ebooks on my website, how to start your hair business and hair extensions, and how to test its quality. The paperback is also available on Amazon. You can check the description box for the links to purchase my ebooks and other resources I have available for you, all in the description box. If you want to order a wig from me or you want to send your wigs for me to help you revamp them, you can also reach me via my business page on Instagram at ENL Beauty Hair, and I'll be glad to, be of service to you. So back to revamping this wig. I'm just trying to ensure that the bottom part is even, and right here I want to finish up the wig by styling the upper part of the hair that is closer to the closure area, and we are still going to do the same process of moisturizing with the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum, spray the heat protectant spray, and straighten the hair using that hair straightener from Cloud9. So you can see all of the heat that's coming out of that hair. If you don't put your heat protectant spray, you could damage your hair with excessive heat. That's the reason why we use our heat protectant spray to ensure that the natural color of the hair remains intact. Because if you keep on applying so much heat to your hair without using your heat protectant spray, you will notice that your hair starts to lose its color. Let's say your hair was like a dark brown, it starts to become more of a light brown. Those are effects of excessive heat and sunlight exposure that occurs to your human hair extensions. So keep on styling the hair until you achieve the desired look that you want. Right now I like the fact that this bulb right here is bulbing the way I want it to. So right here I'm going to finish off styling this wig by styling the hair that is on the closure area. This closure area here is like a 2x4 closure. Yeah, that's the reason why it's not very wide. It's a very thin closure area, so that's the reason why it's a 2x4. So I did the same thing which I'd always done, which is spray the heat protectant spray, of course, apply the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum before I spray the heat protectant spray, and then comb through the hair and straighten it using that hair straightener. And I also bobbed it at the bottom part, and after doing that on one side, I'm going to proceed to do the next thing on the other side of the wig. Yes, but I'm not going to move to the next side, to the other side, until I'm really pleased with what I have on this side of the wig that I'm currently working on. And as I'm straightening the hair, I'm also using my comb to comb through it to ensure that I like what I am seeing. And I'm going to apply my hair wax to the hair around the closure areas to just lay any flowery hairs that I have there. And I'm using the edges of that hair straightener to flatten the hair around that closure area. And I'm also moving to the other side to straighten the hair around the closure area. And when I start getting towards the end of the hair, I just go back to the up part, and as I get towards the tip, I just straighten it out completely. Yes, I'm gonna straighten out that tip. Straighten it, straighten it, straighten it, straighten. Why am I leaving the tip? Why am I leaving the tip? Don't mind me. I'm gonna watch me straighten out the tip of that hair right now. Yes, finally. So I just went back to the clipper to ensure that any stray hairs at the bottom part that is just not aligning with the rest of the hair is trimmed off. We want everything to be in alignment. We want everything to just flow effortlessly, because when everything flows effortlessly, it's going to make the hair look more put together. It's going to make the wig look more expensive and elegant. So that's the reason why I'm just trying to ensure that everything looks well done, professionally, and really, really beautiful. So after we're done with trimming the ends of the wig, what I'm going to do next is to clean out the parts on the closure area to ensure that the part is really straight. And next, what I'm going to do next is to apply a bit of foundation that matches my client's skin on the part of the closure to make it a bit more visible. So I'm just putting that foundation right there, and I'm also going to apply it to the front of the lace. Yeah, you can see right there the difference. It looks a lot more natural. And I know, yeah, the front of the closure is sort of bowed in because she's had this hair for a while. It's due for her to probably even dump the wig, because this wig has been used for like 6 years. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now is just packing up the hair to send it off to my client. And guys, this is the finished step in this video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up if you got value from watching it. If you learned anything or two from it, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and share with somebody else who's also going to get value out of it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll most definitely see you in my next video. Bye. Wish you the very best. Bye guys.